Sugar nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Kalong ka ay kajing kemen ka bakraw ba pagkaweni ki school ba jong kajala ya kabala tip kum ki University of Science and Technology Meghalaya kabala ka school ba A grade kabala pen scam da kanak kalapan bana da kajing snop sarong ki maujam ki bakong san na kajing let jing wan jong ka hakalyang ka puli puthi haringkat kajing kershan ka tanat ka kot ka khia ka sarkar India but ka National Medical Commission kala menjur ya ke PA Sangma International Medical College and Hospital nagajing trailang jong ke USTM bat ke Sarkar Meghalaya. Bakren cikilat pathai khubor ke singi thoding ke South Rico Risau Arajar Arpusau Hashlong Press Club u Chancellor jong ke USTM u Mahbubul Haq ulaong bagani ke de jingjap ke bapau nam na ke bentang ke USTM pat ke senjam ke bakong san ke jingya lenti jong ke school ba ban no senyang ke badan jingmut syakatanat ke kot ke khia jong ke thain bat ke jaj benreu u Chancellor ulaong banang ni syakmat ki nong pang bat ki samla puli kim dan kamshu ban let sabar jong ke jela na ke bentang ki jing syakri ha ke kot ke khia u Haq ulaong ru bakani ke school ba kan chim hadu shis pa san pongut ki sama puli ni ke benta ke program MBBS ke beningkong jongka ke bapen i ke lenong ke batmai ha ke jingkular jong ke USTM ke bana ai ke jinghikai ke bahakli du hakaliang ke jing suma ulaong ba ye ke academic session an sedang nadu ke tayo ke bakhaddu jong benai Risau Arajar Arpusau da ke bakhod ye ke application ni ke benta ki tu ki bakwa ban long doctor na pok ke jela Meghalaya bat nakeleng keri Hagani ke jaka puli lamang hadu Sao lagi seat na kabenta ka sarkar jilla ha ka ba nakini arpusan lagi seat lamang ya ka bai puli anlut na ka sarkar jilla but khat san lagi seat ya ka bai puli anlut hi shiteng da ka school ba
the latest venture under University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, that is P.S. Sangma International Medical College and Hospital, which has been approved by National Medical Commission of India under Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, to launch the MBBS program for 150 intake from this academic session 2024. So here, why you are interested to come and interact with the media fraternity, the purpose is also very clear that this medical college is in collaboration with the government of Meghalaya with an understanding, although we have not signed the final memorandum of understanding, but entire understanding and negotiation has been completed, that besides the healthcare facility free of cost for the patient of Meghalaya in general care treatment, we are offering 40 MBBS seats to the state of Meghalaya. Out of 40 seats, 25 seats we have been offering completely free of cost, you can say, and the only fee structure which is equivalent to any government college fee structure will be sponsored by the government of Meghalaya. For example, in a government college, the fee structure is very less, maybe 1 lakh or 1,20,000. This amount will be sponsored by Government of Meghalaya. We will be offering 25 seats. Remaining 15 seats will be the half of the university fee structure. So this 25 seats plus 15 seats altogether 40 seats. Besides, we have a nursing program. From this year, we are going to start nursing courses. We have already paramedical courses we have been starting, and from 2026 we will also be going to start the BDS program. So understanding was like this, that will be offering 40% of the total intake to the students of the state of Meghalaya. That is one thing. You are all knowing that P.S. Sangma International Medical College, we have been working relentlessly from last 3 years. During the pandemic time, we could not complete it, so we are 1 year delay. So from this year, we are supposed to get the approval in the month of July, but for various reasons it has been delayed. So yesterday night we got the approval from National Medical Commission. I am very much keen to express the gratitude to the state of Meghalaya and especially the administration, all the officers who have extended support to us time to time, because lots of documentation is needed to comply with the National Medical Commission. Starting from NSC, starting from this pollution certificate, different kind of certificate is needed, and time to time we have applied, and all the officers, they have extended the support. So you will be happy to know that this is the first medical college, state medical college in the state, although this has been sponsored by, promoted by the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya under EID Foundation. That entire perception of collaboration we have extended to the state of Meghalaya, that how we can collaborate, and with the financial support from the state, it has been agreed that Government of Meghalaya will be extending financial support, which has not been done till date. We are expecting 233 crores for 20 years as an interest-free loan. So in 20 years we will be returning the entire amount, but the facilities for the state of Meghalaya will be continued. Besides the education and all the general care treatment in our hospital for the patient of Meghalaya will be offered free, except certain kind of few kind of special services. Our purpose of establishing this medical college is not only limited to education. We are coming up with the super specialty facility, and we will be inviting you in the next 10-15 days. We are celebrating it in the campus. We will be inviting the parents, we will be inviting all the students for this particular function. Campus for the super specialty facility, where all such kind of transplant facilities, starting from kidney, then organ transplantation, then liver transplant, and all this such kind of transplantation facility will come from the next year. Now we have all modern infrastructure in all the departments of clinical services. We have 13 departments, starting from surgery, medicine, orthopedics, then dentistry, then dermatology, psychiatry. All such facilities are available. So I will be inviting all the media friends that you also visit our campus. We will be deciding a particular date, and we will be providing amenities to come, and so that you can explore the facilities available for the people of Meghalaya, and especially for the students and also the patients. As we are a university, so research is our one of the mandatory criteria, because if we want, you are all knowing that it is a grade university. So continue with this accreditation, higher accreditation, we have to continue the research facility at higher end. So we have already sophisticated research labs, where you are all knowing during pandemic that everywhere even tried, and we have realized that there must be a comprehensive and sophisticated research facility everywhere in all medical institutions. So with this ambition, we have set up the research facilities, and I hope with the support, continued support from the state of Meghalaya and people of Meghalaya, our university will be achieving greater heights in the coming days, because just we have entered in the healthcare facility. Besides MBBS program, we will have allied paramedical courses, starting from nursing, paramedical courses, laboratory technology, occupational therapy, and all such OT technician programs, where I have seen that many students from the state of Meghalaya are joining. Nursing, in the nursing programs, nearly 350 nurses have joined. Out of 350, I think nearly 275 nurses from the state of Meghalaya alone, and they are doing extremely well. So we are exploring this approach also through our upcoming nursing college, which will be operational for the month of November. So these are the information for all of you. I think it will be more appropriate that if you ask ICT, and many faculty, we have senior faculty who are retired, and another group of faculty who are working in various hospitals of Guwahati. So we have nearly 98% faculty requirements we have already completed. So in the coming days, when we will be starting the super specialty program like MD, MS, and also the MCH program, these are the programs, DM programs, then we will have a more faculty in the coming days. So once it will becoming a destination, good facilities, I think the attracting faculty will not be a difficult job. Be a general merit seat, students will be approaching from all over the country, and 15% actually the central government sent the merit list, but this time we are delayed. So from the next year onwards they will be sending. So we will be opening through the government of Meghalaya's website, and students from all over the country through their NEET score they will apply, and based on the NEET score we will be releasing the merit list, first round, second round, third round, based on the vacancy, and this way we will be completing seats. Another clarification with your question that I must say, that besides 46, if additional students they want to join with our institution with the normal fee structure, so there is no restriction. The MOU, but it is my personal interest that Meghalaya student must be getting benefits. So I met the Honorable Health Minister today, Dr. Amperin Lindo. I personally met just before 2 days. I met the Honorable Chief Minister once when we received the direction from the Ministry of Health that how it can be expedited so that present batch can get the benefit. So I think by next 1 week it will be very much clear. So it was our calculation that in 20 years we will be returning the entire amount. That calculation has been made, which is nearly 233 crores rupees has been calculated by the expert team. So it is lying with the state government. I think by next 1 week they will be considering it very seriously so that students of the state can get the benefit.
This
Facility, but we took loan already. We have taken huge loan, nearly 250 crores loan, and we have been constructing. But if we get the fund, then it will be more. We can speed up the construction activities because the super specialty facility is a 1100 bedded hospital. So we need a huge fund. So I already made the request that if they can expedite, I think it will be beneficial mutually for the state as well as for the institution.
So for the course of MBBS, what's the basic fee structure?
Fee structure. We have arranged the fee structure like this so that we can attract the brilliant students. So our minimum fee structure for the 5 years is 89 lakhs rupees. Means yearly it will be around 18 lakhs something. So it is 89, but it is up to 350 marks in the NEET examination. Below 350, their fee structure is little bit high, another 3-4 lakhs extra. So like this, we have a 3 different kind of fee structure, but the state government is different. State government fee structure is only government fee structure. Do you know that in a government college, the fee structure is 80,000-90,000 rupees, in somewhere it is 1 lakh rupees. So in the state of Meghalaya, the students need not pay. Students have to pay only hostel facilities. The basic fee structure will be paid by the government. Their process, because they have already database of the students. I think the 93 seats are there for the state government in different other state. So now they have 40 seats, so they will be calling, they will be giving advertisement and they will be getting the name of the students. And after that, they will be recommending the name that which particular 25 students will be getting free and which particular 15 students will be getting 50% concession from the with respect to the universities.